is the view outside the castle. So we'll be walking here. This one. So I think nasa 30 step pa lang ako, but I feel like I wanna go down. Go with me. So after the stairs, this is the view that you can see on the top.
Still more top.
I need to finish this one since I started it. So as mentioned earlier, it's 100 step going up, but I think we are on 60 step already. This is the view on the top, but still we need to walk more. So this will be the last part. We are about to climb on the top. Circuit black. So here's the top. Go with me.